The College Assistance Migrant Program, or CAMP, is a federally funded program designed to provide academic support services to students who come from migrant or seasonal agricultural worker backgrounds. These students often face unique challenges in their educational journey. Therefore, as a tutor or mentor working with CAMP students, it's important to understand how to effectively support them. CAMP students come from diverse backgrounds and may have encountered various obstacles on their path to higher education. They may have experienced disruptions due to seasonal agricultural work, making it challenging for them to maintain consistent academic routines. Additionally, they may have limited financial resources and face language barriers that can impede their academic success. It's crucial to create a supportive and inclusive environment for CAMP students. Encourage open communication and allow students to freely share their experiences and challenges. Show understanding, respect, and empathy towards their circumstances. Success in working with CAMP students heavily depends on your ability to create a safe space for them to express their needs and seek guidance. Building rapport with CAMP students is essential for fostering trust and establishing a strong mentoring relationship. Engage in casual conversations and create a comfortable atmosphere where they feel at ease sharing their thoughts. Ask about their backgrounds, interests, and aspirations, and actively listen to their responses. This will demonstrate your care and interest in their well-being. Providing academic support is a primary responsibility when working with CAMP students. This may involve assisting them with course assignments, studying for exams, and enhancing their academic performance. Offer personalized tutoring sessions, provide study guides and resources, and encourage them to seek help as needed. Remember to adapt your teaching methods to meet the unique needs of CAMP students, as they may require additional support due to language barriers or learning disabilities. Apart from academic pursuits, CAMP students often face additional challenges. Help them develop essential life skills crucial for success in higher education and beyond. Encourage them to cultivate strong time management skills, set realistic goals, and develop effective study habits. Additionally, provide guidance and support in areas such as financial literacy, career exploration, and navigating campus resources. Cultural sensitivity and awareness are crucial when working with CAMP students. Recognize that they may have unique cultural experiences and traditions that should be respected and celebrated. Encourage them to share their cultural backgrounds, stories, and traditions, and celebrate their unique perspectives. This will not only foster inclusivity, but also enhance their overall educational experience.